Jaja. Yeah. Got New Year's Eve and everything there to see yeah. Last night. And a little, you know what I mean? I mash up some for something. You see me? So, I just say things that. Look at being scared. You're never gonna work. Yeah. My God. Thank you for the God. See me another year. Yeah, man, so, as me say, when I'm not a vlogger, you know? It's a man who just like hold the camera all the while. So, if you're 2022, you know, in the thing, you know, I can see what I go on. You see me? So that's how I started like this. You see me? So my life like really that excited. I'm happy with it, but it's that excited. So we're gonna try a thing and outside freeze them say. Can't imagine no more freeze the last time freezing like everything gone and pop off, you know. So that's how things set. So as I say, see place set, you know. So I gotta just clean up before mama come back. You see me I say? Alright then.
Hello guys, look at my son.
Yeah, that's my grandboy.
Yeah.
I have no animal.
May I drop the pitney, you know?
You gotta grab your grandson.
Grandson. Hey.
Oh, Lord have mercy.
Oh.
Yes.
Design crazy.
I got mom.
Go on today.
He's always crazy.
It's like a bungo rice and pizza, do baby?
Yep.
Yeah. Woman.
Oxtail.
All the mushroom and the spell flour.
I love it. Love it.
Yeah.
You're gonna give me the combination because I need to do some for myself from there, Florida.
You just do it like if you cook up some mackerel and them something there and the same way and just put it in it.
It's good and it's something that tastes like meat.
The mushroom. You see if you get the ice mushroom, that tastes like meat. Remember the soup, the vegetable soup that we put in it.
That's what the alkaline people eat.
Yeah.
As their meat.
And this alkaline baby eat this.
That's not even mine.
But you like it, baby, no matter with the food.
Oh yeah.
Goodness on the bed.
Don't be trying to expose me. Haven't you done enough of that, baby?
Is the oxtail done yet?
Hey, what? You want oxtail already, boy?
Oxtail, see, come let me show them my oxtail. Or season up and well put on. And I soak. People, I'm gonna play it now. So my oxtail, ooh, babe, smell this.
Well marinated.
Mommy, smell this.
Oh, glory.
So people, oxtail ready.
Yeah.
Sunday dinner.
Well, me will eat probably 2 pieces. I don't know my thing already. You get skeleton, baby?
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Happy New Year again, you know?
Happy New Year, guys.
Don't know the thing set. You see me as I say? I will try to do it as much as we can do. The vlog them. Phone, you know what I mean? Yeah. New Year.
People bear with us. We got busy lives.
Yeah. May I take on the thing wickedly. You see me I say? This year. Yeah.
Yeah.
Happy New Year.
Period.
Chill.
You're not going to sleep to go to school on morning,
No,
boy.
come here. Let me show y'all what I did. My hoop used to be on the closet, but now it's up there, and me and my grandma switch it over there. Because originally it was right here, and then the mirror was right there, and I did that by myself. But then, with the help of my grandma, we put it over here, and we changed the mirror over here. And now, you see all this space that me and my grandma made?
Yeah.
Now it's my mini basketball court to shoot over there.
Right, sonny.
And let me show you what I can do.
Hey! Hey boy, I miss. Let's see if yeah.
One more shot before y'all leave. I'm gonna make this one.
You make that one, huh?
Yeah. On curry.
I must say curry chicken.
No, it's because the NBA
You
players
don't want
like
to get
curry.
belly too.
How that, mommy? Coffee?
Yeah. I'm Starbucks.
Oh, and y'all, look at my new
You have to
house
drink
shoes.
coffee with beer, 2-3 cup, you know?
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
When you stop drinking.
I'm saying, look here.
Miss Mary not sitting here, so let them keep trouble
Let
on
me
it.
get
1
them
minute is good,
Yeah.
next minute is not good.
To me, it's like everything good for you, but you can't do too much.
You have to do it in moderation.
Mhm.
Yeah. That's what I do. Moderate.
Only my baby good for me all the time.
Oh, jeez.
And y'all,
Ah,
look at my new
yeah.
Until
house
she
shoes.
fall asleep while you're not snoring.
Every night.
Sometimes
You know what me I go do?
Kevin says she
People,
sleep long time.
You know me I do? Me I go video her when she a snore.
Oh,
I make her
Jesus.
sister and no lie me I tell.
Yes.
Okay, well, I'm gonna video your embarrassing moments and put in. let
Yeah,
them
no
see.
problem.
No problem. Okay.
The vlog we a vlog.
Okay.
So let's vlog everything and
No
done.
problem. Remember that.
Yeah.
Come here, guys. Come here. Look at the new house shoes.
Yeah.
Yeah, got the Naruto Shikamaru. Got the, I don't know who that is, Darui. I got the baseball. Wait, where my basketball go? And my football. What?
That's what people like, you know, when they see you for real.
Yeah, real, right? You right, mommy? Right. Baby, what you doing, baby?
I'm gonna cut some wings. I do some jerk wings.
Out the door? Funny grill?
No. It's gonna be oven wings.
Cold.
So,
What happened to our inside grill?
Oven jerk wings.
Should I cut off of it? All that skin and sitting on fire and fat. You see that?
Yep, I don't like
Yeah.
that nastiness.
Yeah,
For
man.
run, I have to turn down the fire to keep it. She said, don't come in here.
No, but when I say same thing, cause she a cook for you today. So you just chill, you know what I mean?
Exactly.
Mm.
Yes.
Cause at that time I come in the kitchen machine, cause every time I want to come touch something, and she let her run me.
Yeah, I'm not touching it.
And then,
Cause when we done cook the food, then you want some curl him too.
Oh, jeez.
So what you need is direct me when we do if the food nice
baby, I
and
go
done.
like I'm cooking on you. You have to clean up them chicken chicken in there, no.
Stop lying, okay?
For your credit, man.
That's all. Emma always do that. So
Right,
it's
baby?
sweet,
Who
but-
I cook today?
Me.
See that? She said me. Okay.
No.
Yeah.
Me myself.
Me.
Wait, mama, use reverse psychology. Say you.
Who cooking, baby?
No. Me can't say you because it's still rough on
Trust me, I was not on his side. I was actually trying to let you.
You go.
You see, then it drop me in the trap, Papa. You see?
Sorry.
See, I look far from your mommy with knife here if I just make a sudden swing
My
on.
father always tell him that.
And then now she got lime it up, right, baby?
Yep. I'm gonna wash my chicken with lime. For all the people that been watching our previous vlogs, you guys already know I clean my chicken with lemon instead of vinegar. But if vinegar is all I have, then that's all I have. But I prefer to use lime or lemon. Okay?
Right.
Which one do a better job, the lemon?
The lime.
Look like red.
Yeah.
Yeah, because it
the vinegar. Me can't mind the vinegar.
It's
Me
too
not like it.
harsh.
Yeah. And then now you have to wash it too much time. If
Get the vinegar
you
off.
don't wash it properly, or it cooking it out taste like vinegar. Me not like that. Yeah. So watch now. Me steam down my rice and now see there.
I mean, insipid.
Yeah. So guess what? You don't know the thing set, you know, when she started the oxtail and thing, how she season the thing, showing it, you know, how to do the thing the right way. Right, baby?
Period.
Jerk wings season up.
Sleepy.
You sleepy, baby? Are you come? You drop a sister. When you wake up early?
Yes, you did.
Yes, you through the whole weekend. Now the weekend, the whole holiday, you just up and
Yeah,
down and
mommy,
run up
she-
and down.
Why? Take you about 3 days to recover.
But me tell you. Me tell
No,
you
but you
already.
told mommy.
Yeah.
And I was like, this is crazy how she said 3 days.
Yeah, 3 days. When you
A
cut, it just.
When my first wake up, I didn't have energy, but now I'm feeling
That's how I go back. So when you can do, when you finish, when me done cook, you can eat some food and go sleep.
Y'all, look at me. Real indie man like my dad over here. Fixing up my mommy chair.
Yeah.
That's not good. The stuff always unscrew it.
Yeah, me don't know. I just that not good, brother. Me don't know. I'm tighten it, and it's after a while it just gone again. So
Let's test it out.
it a go work for a while, and then after like you go and sit on it, it will just pull up again. Me don't know why.
It's probably because mommy too heavy with my body.
This guy seems like he don't want to stay.
Huh?
I'm going to take a look in the room and look at your grandson there. For your cooking.
Grandson asleep?
Yeah, he's taking a
He's
nap.
there.
But he's not asleep, that Earl.
He's sleeping.
Huh? Oh, you sit down and asleep? Oh. What kind of picnic is this?
Grandson is the star of the show.
Okay.
Look chilly though, baby.
That's
Wow.
What is it in?
Let's say one moment. Oh, it bust out. Oh.
There's one under the couch.
You forgot make use wool more. I tried to thread them kind of weak and dry right. I hear that thread set there. Yeah. Girl, go with some more like that. Don't touch don't touch those ones. Don't trouble them on there. Them not no problem. I just the back part already. Don't trouble them. Them don't start out already.
Bam bam. What the bam bam?
Oh, they look nice, baby. Oh, what are them?
I would do them.
Yeah, I want to play this. I said update.
Yeah.
No, update myself. Let's try that. It's update.
No.
Okay. Well, yeah, try, but I have to go through the app when I have got
I don't massacre this.
Oh.
This is my mama. She chilling in her robe. She relaxing. She waiting on her oxtail and her wings and her gungle. And yeah, so my mommy's all relaxed. Guys, she's getting ready to leave in like 2 days. So we're just trying to enjoy the last moments with her. Until right. I'll be around here, so. Good up, father. I am picking clothes for school tomorrow.
Yeah, man.
Cause you know, school, back to school.
You need to come out, man. I'm going to school, man.
Winter holiday is over. Back to school they go.
Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm iron up sunny clothes and them thing there. Me a cook. So you know, everybody I do them little thing. Mommy I relax. And yeah, DEVO is at work and Yuri is in the room playing basketball. So everybody off I do them own little thing. 6:30 she said.
It's 5 now.
So yeah, people, this is our Sunday. Obi ala wash. You wanna hear the machine in there? Yeah, Obi ala wash up clothes and things.
I'm cooking, so you don't know the things that you know. You can't, yeah, you have to help the lady in the house. You know what I mean? You can't do everything.
See, that's why I have to love my baby, you know.
Yeah, I want to remember, you know, like, share, subscribe, and everything, you know.
Leave a comment down below.
Everything, yeah.
Don't forget to hit that thumbs up, guys. Come on now, if you watch the video and if you reach this far, come on now, hit that like button. You know what I'm saying? Lick the like button. Leave, drop a little comment for you. You know? Share the little video. Tell a friend to tell a friend.
Yeah.
You know what I'm saying? Yeah.
I remember, you know, RASHKAMAR Entertainment, you know.
Yeah.
They all of the dance hall, all of the party, them thing.
Yep.
On YouTube, you know. RASHKAMAR Entertainment. Check it out.
We'll link it down below in the description bar and we'll put it right here on the screen. So yeah, make sure you guys go over there and check it out. Subscribe, like, comment, and share. You guys already know the shreps.
Yeah.
And yeah, so me I gotta go check on my pot. So I'm going to leave you guys. So you guys just stay tuned, alright?
Show them a pot. Where you saying now?
Wagwan.
Where you say about eat? Are you hungry?
I said I haven't ate all morning.
Because you sit down and wait for oxtail, so you don't wait, man. Oxtail.
That's what Grandma told me because today's oxtail day and I have to eat everything.
Yeah, so. Oh, yeah. Broccolini, baby.
Yeah, we can't remember for
Broccolini.
Remember all the while, yeah? Yeah. That's excited, you know.
Oh, and listen here. If you're American and you heard us say broccolini and you say it's broccoli, It's a long broccoli and it's called broccolini, okay?
A broccoli cousin.
Exactly.
Show them my wings, right, baby?
That's yours.
Look at my wings.
It's
Them-
mine.
oh, damn, baby.
What?
You fr-
You crossed out?
yeah.
Fire underneath the wire.
No, you tell me I'm ready. Your pot, you know. I just go on like a my pot, you know.
I know. I'm glad they tell the people them.
No, this not good, so me not, you know, they're not gonna know. I just a part of me say me cook it, that's why. I don't
Really?
think I go.
Look at me, y'all. I'm in my NBA uniform. Got the shirt.
Yeah. Axie.
Yeah.
So, now because we are, you know, good thing.
We have the good thing
That's how
then.
they say. Sometimes better you just spend our money and buy the real thing. Mm-hmm.
Hey guys, look at this. Look at the buildings, guys.
I'm in my NBA uniform. Except the shoes.
So watch me a vlog and watch me. And watch me. Wait, that's my baby on the big screen.
Hey.
Yeah.
Running a little less, baby.
Yeah.
I look at baby, I'm on the same thing in the video. I'm on the same thing
Oh
going on.
yeah. I want clothes there, baby.
Yeah.
One suit. Watch how we have vlog here, so. Now watch out. Same suit. Same suit. One suit you have.
The ear, make a different one.
Yeah, they get all things different out of here.
I got one suit, but one suit she have, but she have a white wig.
Oh God.
Right.
Make them treat me and kill me.
Still.
No
Broccoli.
way, they must see.
Everything. And can't trick you again, baby.
Never.
Yeah. And then we get our oxtail.
So yummy.
And then we come from America and get our oxtail. Devon, you have too much oxtail, man. Devon, you think talk. You hungry, Debbie?
Oh, y'all. Let me show y'all something. Come here. Come here.
Let me to compare it again.
Tell them about my baby oxtail.
It is absolutely delicious.
Come, y'all. Come. Hurry up. Hurry up. Fine diamond.
Yeah, put in a like that, daddy. Glistening, daddy.
Yeah.
Rich.
Richie rich.
Richie rich. Yeah, man, so you don't know, Sunday evening, what I do, I must about 32 or so, or 30. So you don't know. They want to go a brawling Sunday, but the cold brawling out there. So we just go and chill. So next Sunday, I did this. So we see what I go on, you know what I mean? So at the end of the vlog this, because I'm not going to steal it. I get my food, you know. Because I have spell flour, mushroom from yesterday, so that I go deal with. So if anything, I don't know the things, the